Everyone. Today we are going to study ozone gas. Question 1. What is ozone gas and where is it found? Answer. Ozone O3 is a molecule made up of three oxygen atoms. It is found in two main layers of Earth's atmosphere, the troposphere near the Earth's surface and stratosphere 10 to 50 km above the Earth. Question 2. What is the ozone layer? Answer. The ozone layer is a region of the stratosphere with a high concentration of ozone molecules. It absorbs most of the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation, protecting living organisms on Earth. Question 3. Why is the ozone layer important? Answer. The ozone layer is crucial because it absorbs the majority of the sun's damaging UVB and UVC radiation, which can cause skin cancer, cataracts, and other health problems, as well as damage to ecosystem. Question 4. How is ozone measured in the atmosphere? Answer. Ozone concentration is measured in Dobson units. 1 DU represents the number of molecules of ozone required to create a layer of pure ozone 0.01 millimeters thick at standard temperature and pressure. Question 5. What causes ozone depletion? Answer. Ozone depletion is primarily caused by human made chemicals called chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and halogens. These substances release chlorine and bromine atoms in the stratosphere, which then break down ozone molecules. Question 6. What is the stratosphere? Answer. The stratosphere is the second major layer of Earth's atmosphere, lying above the troposphere and below the mesosphere. It extends from about 10 km to 50 km above the Earth's surface. Question 7. How does temperature vary in stratosphere? Answer. In the stratosphere, temperature increases with altitude. This warming is due to the absorption of UV radiation by the ozone layer. Question 8. What is the typical thickness of the ozone layer? Answer. The ozone layer's thickness varies geographically and seasonally, but it averages about 300 Dobson units, which translates to roughly 3 millimeters if compressed to standard temperature and pressure. Question 9. What is the ozone hole? Answer. The ozone hole refers to the significant thinning of the ozone layer over Antarctica, first observed in the 1980s. It is mainly caused by high levels of chlorine and bromine from CFCs and other ozone depleting substances. Question 10. How has the Montreal Protocol helped the ozone layer? Answer. The Montreal Protocol, signed in 1987, is an international treaty designed to phase out the production and use of ozone depleting substances. It has been successful in reducing the release of these chemicals, leading to gradual recovery of the ozone layer. Question 11. What are the health effects of increased UV radiation due to ozone depletion? Answer. Increased UV radiation can lead to higher rates of skin cancer, cataracts, and other eye damage, as well as weakened immune system in humans. It can also harm marine ecosystem and reduce crop yields. Question 12. How does the ozone layer affect climate change? Answer. The ozone layer and climate change are interconnected. Ozone depletion can lead to cooling of the stratosphere and warming of the troposphere, influencing atmospheric circulation patterns. Conversely, climate change can affect ozone recovery by altering temperatures and circulation in the stratosphere. Question 13. What are the main natural sources of ozone? Answer. In the stratosphere, ozone is produced by the interaction of UV radiation with oxygen molecules. In the troposphere, ozone can form through chemical reactions involving sunlight, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds. Question 14. What is the role of ozone layer in regulating Earth's temperature? Answer. By absorbing UV radiation, the ozone layer helps to regulate the temperature structure of the stratosphere, contributing to the stability of the overall climate system. Question 15. How do scientists monitor the ozone layer? Answer. Scientists use ground based instruments, weather balloons, and satellites to monitor ozone levels. Satellites like the Ozone Monitoring Instrument OMI on NASA's Aura spacecraft provide global data on ozone concentration. Question 16. What are Dobson units and how are they used? Answer. Dobson units are a measure of the total amount of ozone in a column of the atmosphere from the surface to the top of the atmosphere. One Dobson unit corresponds to a layer of ozone 0.01 millimeters thick at standard temperature and pressure. Question 17. What are the effects of ozone in the troposphere? Answer. In the troposphere, ozone is a pollutant and a component of smoke. It can cause respiratory problems, harm vegetation, and reduce crop yields. It is formed by reactions involving sunlight and pollutants like NOx and VOCs. Question 18. How does seasonal variation affect the ozone layer? Answer. The ozone layer experiences seasonal variations with the largest changes occurring over the polar regions. For instance, the Antarctic ozone hole forms during the southern hemisphere spring September to November when conditions are right for ozone depleting reactions. Question 19. What is the Brewer-Dobson circulation? Answer. The Brewer-Dobson circulation is a large-scale atmospheric circulation pattern in the stratosphere. It transports ozone from the tropics where it is produced to higher latitudes, affecting the distribution and thickness of the ozone layer. Question 20. How can individuals help protect the ozone layer? Answer. Individuals can help by reducing the use of products containing ozone depleting substances, supporting policies aimed at protecting the ozone layer, and spreading awareness about the importance of ozone protection. Choosing energy efficient appliances and reducing air travel can also contribute to lower emissions of substances that can indirectly affect the ozone layer.